I felt like my dream had come true. And this is a house that we can leave our sons
Definitely.
with confidence. So it was an investment as much as it was a lifestyle change.
There you go.
That's it. That's really it. With renovating and extending, we've got more storage, especially the study and the library. The reason I wanted to keep the house in this style was, firstly, I love all things vintage and all things historic. And also I wanted to restore it as it is, as a nod to my family. This is the house that they lived in, my father grew up in. To me, it's the legacy that I want to pass on to my kids. And ExtendAHome was sympathetic in that. They were knowledgeable with how to source the sort of materials to do the job
right, yeah.
that matched with downstairs.
As a handyman myself, I was looking for attention to detail, the work they did, the quality of the work, so nothing was too hard. And it sort of just ran smoothly, like clockwork. There was no major issues, were there?
I would recommend ExtendAHome, I think, to anyone who has a period home and they want to build within that history and be sympathetic to it. And even if not really, because they will still do the right thing and take care of the client anyway and listen to your needs and work efficiently. I think if you have good neighbours, you like where you live and your house has good bones, I think that you should consider extending, because you get to keep those aspects around you. You get to keep your neighbours, the area that you live in, but you can have so much more. Why sell up? Why pay stamp duty? Stay in your home and extend.
New level of living.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yep.